Our today's topic is on seating arrangement. Now in seating arrangement, there are two classes. So today we will discuss the two classes simultaneously. Now, in case of seating arrangement, the main thing is this one. First, you have to read the statement. Accordingly, you have to draw the diagram. Based on that diagram, you have to find out the correct answer. Now, in case of seating arrangement, there are three types of seating arrangement. One is row-wise seating arrangement. Number two is circular seating arrangement, and the last one is vertical seating arrangement. So row-wise means like this one. Circular means like this one, and vertical means like this one. So this is the main types of seating arrangement that is there in the examinations. So today we will discuss all the types. Now the first one, the first problem, this is a row-wise seating arrangement. Now in case of seating arrangement problem, first you have to draw the diagram based on the given statement. So in this problem, A, P, R, X, S, Z are sitting in a row. So how many people are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people are there. They are sitting in a row. So this is a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people are there. Now always, first you have to draw the diagram which is sure, which is actually the certain. So first you have to draw the sure part. After that you have to draw the remaining one. So that can be in the first, that can be in the last also. এরকম কোনো ব্যাপার নেই আমাকে যে প্রথমটাই প্রথমে করতে হবে, প্রথম স্টেটমেন্টে প্রথমে ড্র করতে হবে বা শেষ স্টেটমেন্টে শেষে ড্র করতে হবে। You can draw any of the statements. First you have to draw the sure one. যে স্টেটমেন্টটাতে আমি অ্যাকচুয়ালি বুঝতে পারছি পজিশনটা, সেই স্টেটমেন্টটা আমাকে আগে ড্র করতে হবে। Then you have to draw the other statements. Now in this problem, S and Z are in the center. Now this is first position, second position, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. So the center means these two. Now S and Z are in the center, but which is S, which is Z, that is not mentioned in the problem. So write down S and Z like this one. If this is wrong, then in the later statements this will contradict. Now AP are at the ends. AP are at the ends. Now ends means this one 1 and 6. Now which is A, which is P, that is not mentioned. So write down this one. A and P are at the ends. Now R is sitting to the left of A. R is sitting to the left of A. If this is A and P, now left of A no position is there. That means this is wrong. So this is A, this is P, this is A. I have already told, if my diagram is wrong, then in the next statements or later statements this will contradict. যদি আমি কিছু ভুল এঁকে ফেলি আমার পরবর্তী স্টেটমেন্টে দেখা যাবে যে সেটা আমি সেটা আঁকতে পারছি। You cannot draw that one. So in that case you have to do the reversal if two possibilities are there. Now R is sitting left to A, so this is A. R is sitting left to A. Now P, S, Z are A, all are there, only X is left, so X will be this one because only one position is left. So this is the row-wise arrangement. Now the question is, who is sitting right to P? Who is to the right of P. Now right of P means which one? Right of P is X. So the answer is B. Option B, X is the answer. Now when you are drawing a row wise arrangement, your right is right here also and your left is left here also. Okay. So this is easy idea. So this is question number 1. Okay. Now the next question. Now in the next question, question number 2, there are 8 houses in a line. So this is also a row wise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Because 8 houses are there in a line. So first write down 8 positions. And in each house only one boy lives with the condition and given below. Now these are the conditions. So first we have to draw the according to the statements which you are sure about. So first draw statement number 4. Paul lives in one of the 2 houses in the middle. Paul lives in one of the 2 houses in the middle. So middle is this 2. So Paul lives in this, suppose in this one, any of the 2 houses in the middle. Then Mike lives in between Paul and Larry. Mike lives between Paul and Larry. So this is the diagram. Now there is at least one to the left of Larry. Now left of Larry at least one. So that cannot be less than one. That can be more than one. So 2 positions are there. Left of Larry, that is okay. Harry is just next to the left of Larry. Harry is just next to the left of Larry. So this is Harry. Now Jack is not the neighbor of Simon. So you just keep this one. This diagram you just keep now. Now some most data is given if at least one is the right of Robert. So if this is Robert, so right of Robert at least one is there. And Harry is not between Todd and Larry. Harry is not between Todd and Larry. So this is Larry. So this cannot be Todd because Harry is not between Todd and Larry. So this is Todd. Now Jack is not the neighbor of Simon. So write down Jack and Simon. So this is the arrangement. Now always remember যে arrangementটা আমরা আঁকব, all the conditions should satisfy this arrangement. If any one of the statement does not satisfy this arrangement, then this arrangement is wrong. So all the statements should satisfy this sitting arrangement. Okay. Now based on this arrangement, you have to identify then which are one of the following statement is not correct. You have to find out the incorrect statement. So Robert is not at the left end. Robert is not at the left end. This is basically correct statement. Robert is in between Simon and Todd. Robert is in between Simon and Todd. This is also correct statement. Now option D, there are 3% to the right of Paul. Right of Paul, 3% are there. That is also correct. Now option C, Todd is in between Paul and Jack. Todd is in between Paul and Jack. So Paul and Jack, Todd is not there. So this is the wrong statement. So the answer is this one. Option C is the answer. That is the incorrect statement. Okay. Next question. Question number 3. Now this is A, B, C, D, E. So 5 people are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people are there. sitting on a bench. So this is row wise sitting arrangement. Now first you have to find out the position that is exactly given in the problem. A is sitting next to B, C is sitting next to D, D is not sitting with E, who is on the left end of the bench. E, who is on the left end of the bench. So E is on the left end of the bench. C is on the second position from the right. C is on the second position from the right. So this is right part. Now C is in the second position from the right. Now A is to the right of B and E. Now this is E. So this is B. Now A is to the right of B and E. Now only one is there. A, B, C, D is left. So this is D. So this is the arrangement. A, C sitting together, all are correct. Now the question is in which position A is sitting? In which position A is sitting? Now A is sitting in which position? Between B and C. Between B and C. So the answer is option B. A is sitting between B and C. This is the answer. Okay. Now the next one. P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W. How many? 8. 8 persons are there. Are sitting round the circle and are facing the center. Now in case of circular sitting arrangement, two types of sitting arrangements are there. This is center. So facing the center, that can be facing the center, that will be mentioned in the problem. That can be either facing the center or this can be like this one, facing outside the center. So this is the center. So this is facing outside the center, and this is facing inside the center, facing towards the center. Now when you are facing the center, then your right is right, your left is left. যখন তুমি সেন্টারের দিকে তাকিয়ে থাকো তোমার রাইটটাই রাইট হবে, বা যে পরীক্ষা দিচ্ছে তার রাইটটাই রাইট হবে আর লেফটই লেফট হবে। But when you are facing outside the center, then your right is left and your left is right. Just opposite. In this case, when facing the center, then your right is right here and your left is left here. But in this, when facing outside the center, then your right is left over here and your left is right over here. Okay. Now, in this problem, facing the center, that means this side. Now, always in case of circular sitting arrangement, always start from this one. Now P is second to the right of T. P is second to the right of T. Now T is, suppose T is this one. P is second to the right of T. Right of T is this, in this direction. Right of T. P is second. So this is first. This is second. This is P. Who is the neighbor of R and V? Who is the neighbor of R and V? Who means T. So T is the neighbor of R and V. But which one R, which one V, that is not given in the problem. So I just write down this one. If any problem is, if this is wrong, then there will be problem in the next steps actually. Now AC is not the neighbor of P, so that is not, you cannot write draw this one. So skip this statement. V is the neighbor of U. V is the neighbor of U. Now neighbor of V, U should be there, but no position is left in the neighboring position of V. That means this position is wrong. So this is V, this is R. So V is the neighbor of U. So this is U. Now 3 positions are left and 3 people are left, Q, S and W. Right? Now the fourth statement is Q is not between S and W. Q is not between S and W. So Q is not between S and W. Okay. And W is not between U and S. So U and S, W is not there. So if this is S, this is W, this is Q, then Q is not between S and W, Q is not between S and W, that is okay. W is not between U and S, W is not between U and S, and also S is not the neighbor of P, S is also not the neighbor of P. So all the statement follows if this is the diagram. So this is the final diagram. Now based on this diagram, you have to answer the questions. Now look at the questions. First question: which of the following are not neighbors? Which two of the following are not neighbors? First one is RV. RV, R and V, they are not neighbors. UV, RP, QW, they are actually neighbors. If you follow the diagram, then you can look this one. The R and V, they are not neighbors. Okay. Now which one is immediate right to V? Which one is immediate right to V? Immediate right to V, because all are facing the center. In this problem, all are facing the center. So immediate right to V is T. Immediate right to V is T. So the answer is option D. Then question number 6. Which of the following is correct? P is to the immediate right of Q. P is to the immediate right of Q. That is wrong. Correct cheche amake. R is between U and V. R is between U and V. That is also wrong. Q is to the immediate left of W. Q is to the immediate left of W. That is correct. U is between W and S. U is between W and S. That is wrong. So option C is correct. Q is to the immediate left of W. What is the position of S? What is the position of S? Position of S between U and W. Now according to the statement, according to the options, position of S between U and V. No, that is wrong. Second to the right of P. That is also wrong. Now position of S to the immediate right of W. Immediate right of W is correct. Option C is correct. What is the position of S? The position of S is to the immediate right of W. Because this is the diagram. If you follow the diagram, you can solve the questions very easily. Actually, in case of sitting arrangement problem, if you can draw the diagram, then the questions are easy. Actually, the main thing, you have to draw the diagram. So these are the diagram. This is the diagram I have already drawn. Okay. Now the next problem. Five girls are sitting on a bench. So sitting on a bench means this is a row wise sitting arrangement. Five girls are there to be photographed. Shima is to the left of Rani and to the right of Bindu. So if this is Bindu, Shima is left of Rani, so this is Rani, and right of Bindu. Mary is to the right of Rani. Rita is between Rani and Mary. So this is Mary. This is Rita. So this is the diagram. Shima is to the left of Rani and Shima is right of Bindu. Now Mary is to the right of Rani and Rita is in between Rani and Mary. So this is the sitting arrangement. Now the question is, who is sitting immediate right of Rita? Now in case of row, your right is right. So who is sitting immediate right to Rita? Immediate right to Rita is Mary. So the answer is option C. Next question, who is in the middle of the photograph? Middle of the photograph is Rani. Option B is the answer. Middle of the photograph is Rani. Now next question. Question number 10. Who is second from the right? Actually, this is the diagram. B, Bindu, Shima, Rani, Rita, Mary. So who is second from the right? Right is this one. Second from the right. So Rita is the answer. Option C. Who is second from the left? In the photograph, who is second from the left? Left is this one. Second from the left is Shima. Option D is the answer. Okay. Now in this problem, this is again a circular sitting arrangement. How many people are there? 6 friends are there. So when 8 people are there, then you have to write down this one also. But when 6, then only 1 is there. So 6 positions are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Always start from the this one, middle one. Now first write down this one. Prakash and Mukesh are opposite to each other. So Prakash and Mukesh are opposite to each other. So if this is Prakash, so this will be Mukesh. Prakash and Mukesh will be opposite to each other. Then Preeti is between Mukesh and Lalit. So Preeti is in between Mukesh and so this is Mukesh. So if this is Lalit, so this is Preeti. Now Deepa is between Prakash and Pankaj. This is Prakash. So this will be Pankaj and this will be Deepa, because Deepa is between Prakash and Pankaj. So this is the diagram. All are facing the center of the circle. So like this one. Now the question is, who is sitting right to Prakash? Who is sitting right to Prakash? Now this is Prakash. So right to Prakash is which one? Lalit. So answer is option D. Right to Prakash is Lalit. Now next question, question number 13. Who is just right to Pankaj? Right to Pankaj, this is Pankaj. So right is this one. Right to Pankaj, that is Deepa. Option 13, answer is A. Who is to the right of Pankaj? Answer is Deepa. Okay. First write down this one, Prakash. This is Deepa. Then this is Pankaj. Mukesh. Lalit. So these was the diagram actually. All are facing the center. Now the question is, question number 14. Who are the neighbors of Mukesh? Who are the neighbors of Mukesh? Now Mukesh is this one. neighbor of Mukesh is Preeti and Pankaj. Preeti and Pankaj. Option C is the answer. If you can draw the diagram, then the questions are very easy actually. Neighbor of Mukesh, Preeti, Pankaj. Option C is the answer. Next question. Question number 15. Who is sitting opposite to Preeti? Who is sitting opposite to Preeti? Answer is Deepa. Option B. Opposite to Preeti. Answer is Deepa. Now next diagram. Next question. In an exhibition, 7 cars of different companies, Cadillac, Ambassador, Fiat, Maruti, Mercedes, Bedford, and Fargo are standing facing to east in the following order. Now, so this is a seating arrangement, that is a vertical seating arrangement. So in this problem, they are facing east. So east means this one. So 7 cars are there. So the diagram is like this one. This is a vertical seating arrangement. Now first, the options are given. The 4 conditions are given. First, you have to draw the diagram. So first, you have to draw the second one, because this is the exact one you can write. You can draw, because Fargo is 4 to the right of Fiat. Fargo is 4 to the right of Fiat, and Fiat, which is 3rd to the left of Ambassador, is at 1 end. That means Fiat is at 1 end. So write down Fiat here, because Fiat is at 1 end. Now Fiat, which is 3rd to the left of Ambassador, 3rd to the left of Ambassador. So if this is Ambassador, as this is, they are facing in the east. So right is this one. This is right, and left is upper one. Upper one is the left. So upper left, lower is the right. Now Fiat, which is 3rd to the left of Ambassador. So if this is Ambassador, left, 3rd to the left. So this is first, second, third. So Fiat is 3rd to the left of Ambassador, is at 1 end. So Fiat is at 1 end. Now Fargo is 4th to the right of Fiat. So this is Fiat. So 4th to the right. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4th. So this is Fargo. So 2 statements done. Then Maruti car is between Ambassador and Bedford. So this is Ambassador, this is Bedford, and the middle one is Maruti. So Maruti is in between Bedford and Ambassador. Now only one statement left. Cadillac is next to right of Fargo. Cadillac is next to right of Fargo. Right of Fargo. This is Cadillac. Now only one car is left, Mercedes, and one position is also there. So this is the vertical seating arrangement. Now based on this one, first question number 16. Which of the cars are on both sides of Cadillac? Which of the cars are on both sides of Cadillac? Now both sides of Cadillac means Fargo and Mercedes. Both sides of Cadillac, Fargo, Mercedes. So answer is option C, Fargo and Mercedes. Okay. First write down the statement again. This is Fiat, Bedford, Maruti, Ambassador, Cadillac and Mercedes. Now question number 17. Which of the following statement is correct? Which of the following statement is correct? First, Maruti is next left of ambassador. Now upper one is left, lower one is right. This is right, this is left. So which is Maruti is next left of ambassador, ambassador this one, Maruti this one. So Maruti is left of ambassador. This is actually correct. Remaining all are wrong. Bedford is next left to Fiat. Bedford is next left to Fiat. This is wrong. Bedford is at one end. This is also wrong. This is Bedford. This is not an end. Fiat is next second to the right of Maruti. Fiat is left of Maruti. So this is also wrong. So this is the answer. Okay. Now question number 18. Which one of the following statement is correct? Fargo car is between ambassador and Fiat. Fargo in between ambassador and Cadillac. This is wrong. Then Cadillac is next left to Mercedes. Cadillac is this one. Next left of Mercedes car. Left is upper one. Cadillac is next left to Mercedes. So this is correct. Fargo is next right to Cadillac. Fargo is left of Cadillac, not right. Next right to Cadillac. This is wrong. Maruti is fourth right of Mercedes. Maruti is on the left of Mercedes actually. So this is also wrong. So the answer is option B. This is the answer. Now question number 19. Which of the following group of cars is to the right of ambassador? Which of the following group of cars is to the right of ambassador? Right of ambassador. Ambassador right means the lower one. So Fargo, Cadillac, Mercedes. Fargo, Cadillac, Mercedes. Option only. Option B is the answer. Fargo, Cadillac, Mercedes. This is the answer. Right of ambassador. Okay. Now the last question. Which one of the following is the correct position of Mercedes? So this is the arrangement. Now the question is, which one of the following is the correct position of Mercedes? First one, next to the left of Cadillac. Right is this one, left is upper one, lower one is right. So next to the left of Cadillac, not Mercedes, wrong. Next one, next to the left of Bedford, wrong. Is not the position of Mercedes. Next, between Bedford and Fargo, Fargo, not Mercedes, not there. Fourth to the right of Maruti. Fourth to the right of Maruti. This is Maruti, right means this one. Fourth, 1, 2, 3, fourth. Fourth is Mercedes. So Mercedes is fourth to the right of Maruti. This is correct. The option D is the correct answer. So in case of sitting arrangement, first you have to draw the diagram based on the given statements. First you have to draw the statement which is actually sure or the actual correct position. You can understand from the statement, that statement you have to draw first. Then you have to draw the other statements. After drawing the diagram, based on that diagram, you have to solve the problems. Generally, 5 problems are there from the sitting arrangements. one sitting element problems, after that 5 problems are there. So if you solve a diagram, then based on that diagram you can solve 5 problems. So if this will take time, so don't worry, because after drawing the diagram 5 problems you can solve. So today we will cover all the topics of sitting element, class 1 and class 2, and 3 topics we have already done, that is row wise, circular. In case of circular, facing the center, that is facing towards the center, facing outside the center, and vertical sitting element. Okay, so this is the all about of sitting element. Okay, thank you very much.